So we're going to check them right now. You should have watched the video on the lesson. Here is the homework. Question number 1. You're buying a car for $16,490. Car lost 13% of its value, so that means it is retaining 87% of its value. And how many years? 5 years. Comes a simple, type it into Desmos or your calculator. Should have your car being worth $8,218.67. Question number 2, write an expression. Then evaluate. So we need an expression and an answer. 2.5 billion trees. That's million. So there's 2.5 billion. Decreases by 0.5%. Remember, make it a decimal. So it's lowering by that much. That means it is retaining 0.995%. And notice that says monthly and this says years. So I got to figure out how many months are in 10 years. $120. Anybody got an answer?
I go 2,441,406.
I got 1,369,965, or 1,369,965,714 trees.
All of that done? Or can you just say like 1 point something billion?
Sure. I don't see anything that says estimate, so I would write the full thing, Georgia. 3, though, does say estimate how many lions there were in 2005. Jordan, what do you think? What do you think?
I got 1,500.
Yeah, it tells you right in the equation. 1,500. Describe what is happening to the population. So it looks like I'm retaining 98%. So to me, that means there's a 2% decrease each year. C, how many lions do we got in 2015? Well, that is 10 years later. And it is decreasing, so it better be less than 1,500. Should have about 1,226. Question number 4. 500 is put in an account. What will the balance be at the end of 1 year? Again, this is a monthly interest, so you got to be careful. This says year, obviously 12 months in a year. So starting with 500 bucks, making that into a decimal. So it's our original plus that. Not a very good interest rate. 12 months in a year. So it should get about $530.84. If you wrote $30.84, you would have to add it to the original. What is the effective annual interest rate? Well, I'm analyzing then just how much it will go up. 1.005 to the 12th, same thing I have right here. That is in fact 1.0617. So how much percent did it go up? Tells you right here. Basically, we're making 6.17% annually
So how do you figure that out?
for the year. You just figure out whatever this part of your equation is.
And then subtract 500 and then.
And you take like the next decimal places?
1.005 to the 12th. It is right there. This tells you the percent annually in the answer. Is it more or less than 6%? Well, obviously more. Because 6.17% is more than 6. Question number 5. Which equations matches each graph? So I have 3 equations here. Well, which one's going to increase the most?
A.
A. So that needs the highest number there. Followed by B, followed by C. They're all starting at the same point, all starting at 50, so you're just looking at which one goes up the quickest. I guess we're starting with the largest B value, if you remember your equation. Question number 6. How many employees will they have after the holidays? Well, I'm starting with 6,400, decreasing by 30, so how much are staying? 70%. And should end up with 4,480 employees. Again, as to the video there, I recommended making a column for absolute guessing error. That means how far off of 202 are they? So the first one would be 3 away from 202, 12 away from 202. Remember, they're all positive numbers. So that is what is getting plotted. So 205, I am 3 away. 190, I am 12 away. 197, I am 5 away. 200, I am 2 away. 220, I am 18 away. 210, I am 8 away. 202 is right on. 203 is 1 off. 199, 3 off. And 185 is 17 off. So it should make a V shape there, absolute value. Does not say connect them, it says make a scatter plot, so I'm going to leave it just like that.